our third stop today, and this is a really massive gathering. We're giving out 272 tickets here to 7 different congregations, and since it's the third stop, it's putting us later in the day, and the clouds are starting to form over the mountain, and we're fighting the rain here. So we're going to have to expedite things. I hear thunder in the background. We've done really well so far avoiding the rain. I hope we can do it here.
Have been working hard to try to earn money so they could bring you a gift to the children here in Malawi. So this is a gift from our children to your children. We don't have enough for everybody. So we're giving one to each family for the children. Amen? Amen.
We're going to form 2 lines this time and try to make things go quicker.